Question 3. 1 plus 2 over x to the power 3. We use Pascal's triangle in order to find the binomial expansion of binomials. To build the triangle, we start with 1 and continue placing numbers below it in the triangle pattern. Each row begins with 1, ends with 1. Each row begins with 1 and ends with 1. Each row has increase of one number to the amount of numbers in the previous row. So this row has 2 numbers, this row has 3 numbers, the next row would have 4 numbers, the next row would have 5 numbers, and so on. Each row represents coefficients of a specific power of a binomial. This row represents binomials to the power 0. This row represents binomials to the power 1. This row represents binomials to the power 2. This row represents binomials to the power 3. These coefficients are what you use for binomials to the power 3. And for this question, we want to solve 1 plus 2 over x to the power 3. So, since the power 3, binomials to the power 3 use these coefficients, we use these coefficients. So 1, 3, 3, and 1. We start the first term, which is 1, with the highest power, which is 3. So 1 to the power 3. And then after each coefficient, the first term with the highest power decreases by 1. The power decreases by 1. So 1 to the power 3, 1 to the power 2, 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 0. And the second term starts with the lowest power, which is 0. So 2 to the power x to the power 0. After each coefficient, the power of the second term increases by 1. So 2 to the power x to the power 1, 2 to the power x to the power 2, 2 to the power x to the power 3. So then we insert the exponent into the terms. So 1 to the power 3 is 1. 2 to the power 2 over x to the power of 0 is 1. 1 to the power 2 is 1. 2 over x to the power 1 is 2 over x. 1 to the power of 1 is 1. 2 over x to the power 2 is 4 over x squared. And 1 to the power 0 is 1. And 2 over x to the power 3 is 8 over x to the power 3. Alright, so we multiply the terms. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 times 2 over x is 6 over x. 3 times 1 times 4 over x squared is 12x squared. And 1 times 1 times 8 over x to the power 3 is 8 over x to the power 3. And this is the binomial expansion of 1 plus 2 over x to the power 3 using Pascal's triangle.